Sea animals. Shark. Shark. The shark has sharp teeth. Whale. Whale. A whale lives in the ocean. Dolphin. Dolphin. A dolphin can jump high. Octopus. Octopus. The octopus has 8 arms. Squid. Squid. A squid has many arms. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. A jellyfish can sting. Starfish. Starfish. The starfish has 5 arms. Seal. Seal. A seal lives near the sea. Sea lion. Sea lion. A sea lion can swim fast. Seahorse. Seahorse. A seahorse is a small sea animal. Turtle. Turtle. A turtle has a hard shell. Stingray. Stingray. A stingray has a long tail. Penguin. Penguin. A penguin can swim very well. Crab. Crab. A crab has 2 claws. Lobster. Lobster. A lobster has big claws. Clam. Clam. A clam has a hard shell. Mussel. Mussel. A mussel has a dark shell. Swordfish. Swordfish. A swordfish has a long bill. Eel. Eel. An eel has a long body. Sea urchin. Sea urchin. A sea urchin has many spines.